What's going on, Fireflies? It's me, Neon MUA, and I am here to present you with some greatness. So today's video, I'm going to be doing another Hot or Not. This is on the new Tribal palette by Juvia's Place, and I have a special guest with me here.
Hey, mosquito bites! I'm back. I'm better than ever, looking like $1,000,000. Okay.
So yes, today we are going to be reviewing the Juvia's Place Tribal palette. This is their brand new palette. I think this was their holiday collection. I'm not sure, but needless to say, we're going to be reviewing their new palette. As you guys know, I love their palettes, and my sister,
me too.
Yeah, sister loves their palettes as well. So we figured since we both got them, we might as well do a review on them. And we're going to create this eye look, and it's going to be a hot, shitty mess.
And this eye look.
Exactly. Before this video begins, if at any point you are enjoying yourself and enjoying me and her, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means so much. Also, if you want to continue seeing my face and her face on your YouTube feed, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time that I upload. And without further ado, we're going to get right into
Flowers.
Alright, and without further ado, we're going to get right into this review of the new Juvia's Place Tribal palette. So, let's go. Because you don't, I don't, so, start the video. Alright, so like I said, we were going to be doing a review on the new Tribal palette from Juvia's Place. This palette came out like December-ish? November, December? Late last year. As you can see, it is a 9 eyeshadow palette full of mattes and metallics. And this palette is, it's warm tone, but it's got a lot of like interesting cool tone shades like the greens and the blues. So it's a different stroke and approach for Juvia's Place as opposed to the other warm tone palettes. So we'll see if that will live up to anything. Alright, so now I'm going to get into some swatches and then we'll get into the actual performance of the palette. So yeah. Alright, swatch party! The first shade that we have is called, I think it's Messiah. I'm not sure if it's, but it's matte, whatever. It is a yellow green, a yellow key lime green. Swatches, it's okay. It's like an acid green. We'll go with that. Acid green. What are your thoughts on KAYLA?
It's green.
KAYLA's favorite color is green, so she's biased. Moving on into the next shade, we have Oromo, which is like a pumpkin orange. Yeah, like a dusty orange. Terracotta, if you will.
If you will.
If you will. Thoughts?
It's orange.
Wow, I love the enthusiasm. Next shade we have is Tootsie, which is a... Yeah, she likes this color. Tootsie is a lime green. I love this color actually, I'm not gonna lie. This is a pretty color. Tootsie, thoughts? Oh Lord. Moving on to the second row, this is one of my favorite metallic shades, or shimmers. This is actually one of the shimmers. We have the shade Koro. Koro is so pretty because in pan it's like champagne, and when you swatch it, it has a green shift to it. Oh, I love it. Next shade we have is Chaga, which is also another interesting shade. It is a bronze gold in pan, but swatch, it has this green undertone shift to it. Stunning. Brown cow. The next shade in the second row is Kuba, which is a dark teal green. Super pigmented, super buttery, easy to swatch, easy to work with. Moving on to the last shade, we have the shade Ashanti. KAYLA's already made jokes about this shade. Ashanti is a, how do you describe it, KAYLA?
That's dinky.
Oh Lord, KAYLA said the shade looks like poop. It's an interesting, it's like a, it's a deep, it's not deep brown, it's a dark brown. It has like a green undertone to it, so it does look like poop. But Ashanti is, it's a good color. Next shade we have is the last metallic shade. It is Kurla. It is an orange metallic, straight to the point, like extremely opaque, extremely pigmented. To
Beautiful.
Beautiful. And then the last shade is Sign, which is my favorite matte out of this palette. It is a deep bluish teal, or greenish teal, sorry. I love this shade. I've seen other palettes with shades like this and they don't work as well. We've seen a shade like this out of Jaclyn Hill's Vault collection. We've seen shades like this out of Subculture palette and some other palettes. I feel like this is the best attempt at this shade that I've seen. Alright, that is all 9 of the shades swatch. I think this is a very interesting color story. I am seeing nods to ABH Subculture. It's a very interesting eyeshadow palette. I've seen palettes with these kind of color stories or similar to them, and for some reason the shades like these always flop in my opinion, and to see rich pigmented shades like this, at least on the swatch, is good. Kayla, what you think? Do you like the palette or not?
Oh yes.
Dang. Okay. Jesus. Alright. Moving on. Alright, so we're going to get started. I don't know what I'm doing. Do you know what you're doing? Huh? You know what you're doing?
What do you do?
I'm talking about what look you're doing.
Whatever you do.
Oh, God. Alright, so Kayla says she wants to do the same look I'm doing, which... Alright.
What you trying to say?
I ain't saying nothing.
What you trying to say though?
Nothing.
You lying.
Okay, cool. So, I want to start with the shade Tootsie. This lime green, not lime green, this green, the green right here. And I'm going to put that in the crease. What?
I just want to see how much of a crease you're going to be covering, that's all.
It looks pigmented. I'm noticing a lot of kickback in the palette, but I don't really care. But I mean, I'm noticing that it's a lot more kickback than in the past with other Juvia's Place palettes. So yeah. I'm just blending the edges out. Calm down. Next, we're going to take the shade Sign, which is a dark green, almost teal shade, and I'm going to put that further down into the crease and deepen it up some more. So I'm gonna do a halo. So I'm just going to take my base and apply that on the lid.
Can you like stop and just look at me, please? Thank you. So you're just putting it just in like one little streak in one spot, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get up, guys. We ain't gonna give up just yet.
Next, I'm taking the shade Cuba, which is the metallic dark teal. And I'm putting that on the outer and inner edges next to where we put that base. All right. Oh, wow. Next, we're gonna take the shade Changa, which is this gold with green reflex. And we're gonna put that on the center of the lid. All right, now to finish off the top lid, I'm gonna take the shade.
What is it though?
Finish off top lid, we're gonna take the shade Coral, which looks like a pale champagne in pan, but it has, oh shit. It has a green metallic shift to it. And I'm gonna take that and put that at the very top where that concealer is and a little bit down the middle. Oh wow. All right, cool. So the top is done. I like it. Look at you looking like you're looking. To start the bottom lash line, first we're going to take the color Sand and run that on the outer corners, just like the top, and put it on the bottom. So, whoop, 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 whoop. I swear, if you start making that noise. What the hell are you doing?
Wow, 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 wow.
I'm gonna take the shade Ashanti, which is.
That's not how you say it.
Shut up. Ashanti is like a. How did I describe this shade?
Like some doo-doo. Like when you eat something that's like, you know, kind of burning, like hot food, and then you go take a shit. Ashanti.
I'm gonna put that on the bottom lash line. All right, so next shade I'm gonna take is Almaro, which is the orange shade at the very top. I'm gonna do somewhat the same concept and run that at the bottom as well. A little bit closer to the eyelid though. Last shade.
Last shade.
Last shade.
Last shade.
Last shade. Last shade I'm going to use is the shade KAYLA, which is an orange bronze. Well, actually just orange metallic. And I'm going to run that at the very top of the lash line.
Right at the top of your.
Alright you guys, so the eye work is done. We're going to finish up with lashes and all that stuff, and then we'll be back to give our final thoughts on the palette. So
Stay tuned to the channel. Stay tuned.
okay. Alright you guys, that is the completed look. Final thoughts on the palette. I like it. Do you like it?
I love you.
Focus! Alright you guys, that is the completed look. Final thoughts. I like the palette. You like the palette?
I love the palette. Ooh.
Do you? I feel like this is a strong palette. It's definitely something different from Juvia's Place in terms of color story. The texture and feel of the palette is similar to that of the Warrior palette. The Warrior palette has this really buttery, soft texture to it. And this palette is the same. The palette is very pigmented. There's nothing wrong with the palette. Also tried out one of the new Tribal highlighters. This is the Tribal 1 highlighter, and it's like this deep bronze eye. Yeah, if anything, the only downside to this palette that I've saw was the fact that it has a lot of kickback, especially with the mattes. I don't care about that though, so you know, whatever. I think there are some very interesting shades in here. You don't see a lot of these green shades in here, especially these two right here. And the metallics have really interesting shifts to them, so I feel like this is a strong palette. I had to play with this more, but it might be top 5 material in my opinion in terms of Juvia's Place, but we'll see. And yeah, anything you want to say about the palette?
I really love it because green is my favorite color, and it just goes well on my skin, you know.
All right, so yeah, that's the end of the video. That's our thoughts on it. And
This fan is raggedy. This fan is raggedy.
Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. If you like this video, which I hope you did despite how boring this one was, just kidding, then go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means so much. Also, if you want to continue seeing our faces on your YouTube feed, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time. This fan's raggedy too. Fuck it. So that you don't miss the next time I upload. I'm trying to upload at least once a week. I have some ideas for content coming out. I have the next video that's coming out is going to be extremely interesting, so you guys should subscribe and watch that. And also follow me on all my social media accounts. That is Neon MUA on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and I'm trying to be on Twitter. It's hard. It's hard, but I'm gonna try.
What are your handles on Instagram and Twitter?
I'm gonna try it. I don't know. It'll be down below though. I don't know what it is.
Will it?
And if you haven't bought this,
wow, destroy the product.
you're not a real firefly. That's all I got to say. Or a mosquito bite. You ain't neither one. If you ain't bought it.
What are you talking about? Because a lot of people don't know what you're talking about. You just holding up bottles.
His collaboration with Drenched Cosmetics, Neon Dreams. What are you doing with your life? What are you doing?
I don't know, but your armpit's hot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, we truly do appreciate it. And until next time,
we'll see you in this neon dream.
Take care. Bye.
What's your new song?
We're doing the outro, so it doesn't matter. Oh.
Go ahead. I mean, is it in your way? Okay, go ahead. This is the intro, right? Go ahead. I got you.
You ready?
Okay, let's do this.
And without further ado, we're going to get right into this review of the new Juvia's Place Travel Palette. So, let's go. Because you don't, I don't, so, start the video.
I am a new breed. Let's talk about New Year's. It's a hot mess. Hot stinking mess. That's what I was. A hot mess. Oh.
Tap the camera.
God is a woman.
Woo! No, this said and done. You be the God is all mine. You burning camera time, move.
See what you doing? You tried this extra special shit and I ain't ready.
I'm literally just blending.
Okay.
You the one that said you don't blend.
Okay, I do blend. Don't
Okay,
come
sorry.
for me.
You digging into that palette, ain't you? Damn, Jizz. Calm your ass down.
Oh.
Ew.
That's the noise I make.
I quit.
It's a look. It's a look. Ponytail. Dragon.
What?
Let's get ready for the action. Let's get ready for it. Oh. I hate my eyes because they're like so like. Oh God.
You alright?
I feel like I don't have enough meat on my eyelids. So like.
Wait, what?
Like, let me see your eyelids. Like, you have a lot of meat on your eyelids. I don't have.
Are you trying to say I have a lot of eyelid space?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have that.
Although, what the fuck do you mean by meat?
Just let me know. Because I want to hit them.
Let me
That kind of
know.
stupid.
Let me know. Oh! Alright, you guys, that is the end of this video. Again, thank you, guys.
Shake you shy, show like shwa.
Yo. Alright, you guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for.
That wasn't good.
Shut the fuck up.
I was letting you know that was kind of weak.
Alright, you guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We truly do appreciate it. And until next time.
It sounded like you said.
Fuck!
Thank you guys for washing.
Thank you guys for washing your ass. Okay.